My name is Karen Bosch, and I'm a pre-K through 8 technology instructor from Southfield Christian School near Detroit, Michigan. My students are creators who love to use technology to create characters in stories, comics, and videos, who talk and move and share their knowledge, imagination, and ideas. We publish our characters using blogs and in ebooks at iTunes. But these characters are flat and only live in a virtual world. What if students could create characters in 3D that could be printed out and held in their hand and traded with their friends? They could create character personality profiles from which stories could grow. Imagine a box of 3D characters and reaching in to grab one or two to inspire a new story. And then their 3D character files could be shared online, so classrooms around the world could print them. No more flat Stanleys, but 3D Dremels that can become global visitors. Students in China could combine characters from the US, France, and Mexico as an inspiration for the collaborative stories that they write or create with multimedia technology. This is one of my ideas for using a Dremel 3D printer for project-based learning, to design and print 3D characters that can inspire writing and multimedia creation through global sharing and collaboration. I'd love the opportunity as a Dremel 3D ambassador to design, implement, and share creative PBL lessons for today's learners.